Buongiorno! We are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name of this classic Italian dessert made and known all around the world. But do you know how to pronounce it in Italiano? This is of course a traditional coffee-flavored Italian dessert made of ladyfingers dipped in coffee and layered in a whipped mixture of eggs, sugar and mascarpone cheese and flavored with cocoa on the top. The absolutely delicious Tiramisù. The name literally translates into pick me up or cheer me up because it's got some coffee and sometimes a little touch of alcohol as well. Tiramisù, the delicious tiramisù. Tiramisù is how the Italians would say it. Tiramisù. Here are many more words and cooking terms and produce from Italy that you may want to hear and nail the pronunciation of. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.